make last time? Who did we make last time?
No.
No, just now. Who do you have? You have?
Me, Elsa.
Can we show it to the camera?
No.
Okay, well anyway, we can go back and look at that later. So who are we going to make now?
Princess Anna.
Okay, so for this one, we need a lot of purple. And we're actually going from just a picture here. I don't actually have the Tsum Tsum. But let's try with this purple and a little bit of black and a little bit, let's try some blue, because it's two different colors of purple. It's kind of like a bluish purple on the bottom and then kind of a reddish purple.
Papa,
Yeah?
can you do it?
Oh, you're making a giraffe
No.
or a
what's
horse? Can we put it over here and show? Okay, this is what you made. Oh, so this is Princess Elsa if she was a horse. Oh, she fell over. That's crazy.
This was spider.
Yeah, well, spiders don't have 4 legs though, right? You know this. Spiders have 8 legs. So I'm gonna make this purple part. That's for the top. And then I'm gonna make this bluish purple part. Are you still working on that spider there?
Papa.
And then we'll put this kind of maybe a brown in the middle.
No mouse.
Okay, actually I'm gonna need, well, we're gonna need some orange for her hair. So let's mix that up as well. And it's gonna be really difficult to do her hair because she has braids. Anyway, I think we have all the colors that we need. This is a little bit too bright.
What are you doing?
Maybe I could put in a little bit of
Pin.
dark.
Pin.
Okay.
Pin.
Now it's getting a little bit more kind of brownish.
Papa, my nose is running.
Oh, your nose is running? Where's the tissue? Can you grab a tissue? I'll hold down the fort right here. Okay, so that's okay, just give it to me. I'll take care of it.
And how about this and this?
Okay,
We need
so I'm going to take the purple and mix it with the black, and that'll give us a nice little base.
Purple and red.
Yeah, because it's important that the base, even if it's a couple of different colors, doesn't fall apart. So if we just stuck 2 pieces together, it wouldn't be as effective as what we've done here. Okay. This is a mess.
This is a mess.
You're right, this is a mess.
This is.
But I guess it doesn't have to be perfect. There's nothing that says that has to be straight. It is a dress after all. So maybe we should embrace that little accident. Now, we need her face. And again, we're going to go with a white-pink mixture. And her hair can come after that. Let's just mix this up as best we can. Okay. And I'll put that in a ball. And I'll put that right there. And that will be her face. And let's smush that on there. And then make sure that it's stuck by doing it into a ball. And then let's give it kind of a Tsum Tsum shape. There, that's not so bad.
What is it?
It's gonna be Elsa.
No.
Or sorry, who?
Princess Anna.
You're right. Okay, now the hair is gonna be...
Pin!
Yeah, I know.
Pin, 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 pin.
Hair is gonna be tricky. So again, we got braids, which I'm not enjoying.
Candy.
Oh, wow. You gave me a candy? Can I have it? That's amazing. I'm not going to eat it. But can I pretend to eat it? Okay. So I'm going to do her hair as like this kind of little spider dealy.
Spider baby.
Spider dealy.
Oh.
And so I'm just going to
I want
braid.
tape.
Cake or tape? So I'll just do that. And then let's try. Let's try that. Okay. So that can be the base of her hair. Maybe I need to flatten it. Okay. That's not terrible. And then I think she has kind of like a bang. I think. So let's do something like that and see if that works. Now let's sort of string those down like that. Okay. Okay. So that's her face so far. That's not so bad, I suppose. I'm going to curl the hair things. The hair things. I'll curl the braids back. Now, can I borrow that marker?
No, that's mine.
But I want to draw Anna's face. Okay. All right.
Princess Anna, your hair, what's this?
Actually, I think her eyes are supposed to be blue. So I'm just going to take two very tiny pieces of blue and put them right here. And this one I need to put up almost under her hair. But I don't have any eyelashes. This is going to be difficult, but I'm going to try. Well, that wasn't perfect, but it wasn't so bad. I need to get something better for eyelashes. I have never said that sentence before ever in life. All right. Now let's do a little pink nose. Pink nose. There. Now let's give her a few purple feet. Just because it's in fitting with the rest of her outfit. I suppose the feet are technically hands. And maybe they should be peach. But for now, let's do purple. Okay, And there is Princess Anna. What do you think?
It's better.
It's better?
Elsa and Anna.
Can I see Queen Elsa? How's she doing? Is she still alive? Oh wow, did you draw a face on her? You did that? That's amazing. That looks maybe better than the face that I did. That's really impressive. I'm just gonna fix her crown a little bit. But they look pretty good.
How about this toy too?
Oh, okay. Let's go back. Can you sit down, please? Oh, okay. Why don't we say bye-bye?
No.
No, you don't want to say
I
bye?
want to do a story.
You don't want to say thanks for watching your video?
Thanks for watching my videos.
And watch.
Watching my videos.
Hey, you're messing with the light box. Oh, okay, you're tearing down the set. Let's go.